evening. Today we are in for a special treat. We are here at really a famous place in America called the Waffle House. You guys ever come to America or have never, or in America have never eaten at Waffle House? That's okay, nothing happened. You got to check it out. There's about 2,100 Waffle Houses throughout 25 states in America, so very popular place to eat and awesome waffles. So let's go inside. I've got the eating team in here with us, and we're gonna get a waffle. Let's go see what's on the menu. Everybody happy? Saturday and Sunday is busy at Waffle House everywhere. I think every location is busy Saturday and Sunday. You need coffee. That's the look of I need coffee.
We have a half cup.
Oh, okay. We're gonna get a table, looks like, quick. I'm so excited. In about 10 minutes, we're gonna have an entire table full of awesome American, real American breakfast food. And we live in Thailand, so the American breakfast in Thailand is, it's sad. It's really sad.
American in Thailand.
Well, there is a few places that actually make American breakfast, but
we're referring to the one that can cook.
Well, I can make it, of course, but it's not for sale. It's for free. But most of the breakfast, Western style breakfast, is caters to like people, the British. Yeah, because there's a lot of people from UK and a lot of people from England that live there. So you're gonna get like usually some beans, like baked beans, maybe a couple of wieners, maybe a tomato, something like that. So.
What is it? Is it a backyard cookout?
I try to explain to them that we do like baked beans, but it's with a hot dog, you know?
Yeah.
It's like with a hot dog on a bun, you know? Anyway, it's coming. And just like that, we have a table full of food. What is that exactly?
It's a bacon and sausage, hash brown, egg and cheese bowl.
It's just a combination of everything mixed in one. That is awesome. Yes. And we have the famous Waffle House waffle. And I got, also Brent got, this is another Southern classic, which is a biscuit and gravy. Very good. And another Southern grits, eggs over medium toast, and Paige got hash browns. Same thing with hash browns. Need a bigger table. The waffle is like the best here. It's a good thing because it's called Waffle House. They have a lot of different flavors too, so just give me the original. We don't make it too complicating. But they have a really good blueberry here also. Good? Sorry, I'm spilling syrup on my pants right now. Grits are another southern favorite. It's actually a ground up corn. I did think it was actually ground up rice, but what do I know? It is actually ground up corn, and it tastes awesome. You full yet? Well, I don't know about you guys, but I'm full. Are you full?
I'm so fat now.
And she got her coffee fixed for this morning, so everybody can survive in here now. Anyway, I hope you guys come visit Waffle House if you haven't already. Had a great breakfast, ready to start my day. We'll see you guys on the next No Time to Be Hungry video. Bye.
Bye, y'all.